Homework example first. Here integration 0 to infinity 4th root of x e raised to minus root x into dx. Okay, now first of all consider given integration, that is I is equal to 0 to infinity 4th root of x into e raised to minus root x dx. Okay, now here 4th root of x is nothing but x raised to 1 by 4. Okay, then given integration becomes 0 to infinity e raised to minus root x raised to 1 by 4 into dx. Okay, now consider this is equation number 1. Then put here root x is equal to t. Put root x is equal to t. Then squaring on both sides, here x is equal to t square. Then differentiate this equation. Then derivative of x, that is dx, derivative of t square, that is 2t into dt. Now change the limit. Here there are two limits, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to infinity. First of all put x is equal to 0 and then put x is equal to infinity in this equation. Here x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0, then t is equal to 0. If x is equal to infinity, here put x is equal to infinity, then t is also infinity. Means here x from 0 to infinity, then t from 0 to infinity. Now put this value in equation number 1. Then from equation 1, here integration 0 to infinity as it is, because here x from 0 to infinity, then t also 0 to infinity. Means here there is no change in limit, 0 to infinity. Here e raised to minus root x is nothing but t. Now here put e raised to minus t. Here x, here again, here x is equal to t square. Okay, now in bracket t square, but here x raised to 1 by 4, therefore here write 1 by 4. Value of x is, that is t square, and power as it is 1 by 4 into dx. Dx is nothing but 2t into dt, 2t into dt. Okay, then simplify this. Here 2 is constant term, take outside the integration. Here t square raised to 1 by 4 means here take multiplication, 2 into 1, that is 2, 2 divided by 4. Okay, here 2 divided by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2, and here t as it is, dt as it is. Okay, now here t raised to 1 by 2, here t. Okay, then simplify. Here use result. Suppose t raised to a into t raised to b, then use t raised to a plus b. Okay, now here that is 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. Okay, that is here t raised to 1 by 2 into t is nothing but 1, that is t raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, that is equals to t raised to 3 by 2. Okay, now here simplification of this t raised to 1 by 2 and t, that is t raised to 3 by 2 into dt. Now compare this integration with 0 to infinity e raised to minus t raised to n into dt. Okay, then what is simplification of this? That is gamma of n plus 1, and gamma of n plus 1, how to simplify? That is n into gamma of n, because here n is because n is not an integer. Here 3 by 2 means here 3 by 2 is not an integer, therefore use n into gamma of n. Okay, now here first of all write gamma of n plus 1, that is 3 by 2 plus 1, then use this result, gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma of n. Here 3 by 2 plus 1, here subtract 1 means here 3 by 2, 3 by 2, again subtract 1, here 3 by 2 minus 1, again 1 by 2 means here 1 by 2, gamma of 1 by 2. Okay, by using this formula, gamma of n is equal to n minus 1 into gamma of n minus 1, that is 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2. This is simplification of gamma of 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled, 3 by 2, here 3 by 2 into gamma of half. But we know that gamma of half is nothing but root pi, that is 3 root pi by 2. Okay, which is required answer. But we know that I is nothing but 0 to infinity 4th root of x e raised to minus root x dx, which is equals to 3 by 2 root pi, which is required answer. Similarly, you can solve second homework example, that is integration 0 to infinity root x e raised to minus x cube dx. Means here let I is equal to given integration. Now here write root x is nothing but x raised to 1 by 2. Here call this is equation number 1. Now here put x cube is equal to t. Then find the value of x. Here x is equal to t raised to 1 by 3. Here taking cube root on both sides, that is x is equal to t raised to 1 by 3. Then differentiate this equation, that is 3x square into dx. Derivative of x cube, that is 3x square, and derivative of x is nothing but dx, means here 3x square dx is equal to dt. Then rearrange for dx. Here dx is equal to dt upon 3x square. Put the value of x square. Okay, but here x is equal to t raised to 1 by 3. Here x is equal to t raised to 1 by 3, and here power 2 as it is. Okay, if you simplify this, that is 2 by 3. Take this term in numerator, that is here plus 2 by 3 in numerator, t raised to minus 2 by 3. Now this is the value of dx is equal to 1 by 3 t raised to minus 2 by 3 into dt. And here limit of x 0 to infinity, and similar same limit of t from 0 to infinity. Now put this value in equation number 1. Then equation 1 becomes, now this is equation number 1, I is equal to 0 to infinity e raised to minus t. Now here put the value of x. Here x is nothing but t raised to 1 by 3 raised to half, and here the value of dx, that is 1 by 3 t raised to minus 2 by 3 into dt. Okay, now 1 by 3 is constant term, take outside the, that is outside the integration. 1 by 3 0 to infinity, here e raised to minus t as it is. Here 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, that is equals to 1 by 3 into 2, that is 6, 1 by 6, and here t raised to minus 2 by 3. Then t raised to 1 by 6 minus 2 by 3. If you simplify this, here by 1 by 6 minus 2 by 3, here multiply by 2, here also multiply by 2, that is 3 into 2 6, then 6, here 6, here also 6, then write 1 times, that is 6, and in numerator 1 minus 2 into 2, that is 4, means 1 minus 4, that is minus 3, if you simplify this, that is minus 1 by 2, means here after simplification of this t raised to 1 by 6 minus 2 by 3, that is minus 1 by 2. Then given integration, compare with here 0 to infinity e raised to minus t raised to n into dt, that is nothing but gamma of n plus 1. Okay, now simplification of this, gamma of minus 1 by 2 plus 1. If you simplify this, that is gamma of half, and gamma of half is nothing but root pi upon 3, that is here 1 upon 3 as it is now, which is required answer.